Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
So, thank you, sir, for giving me this opportunity. So, I would like to introduce myself. Myself is Jasvi Yadav. I am student of class 12 and I belong in Mirzapur. That's all about myself. So, I learning English classes in DPS classes in Mirzapur and is nearby Nilkamal guest house. And I think we will celebrate our program in June. And sir selected two person. First is Swati Di and second Sweta Yadodi. She is there. These both students are selected for all the best, and these students fight for all the best. I think it's a very they will get very good opportunity for fight with them, because if they fight for all the best, so I think they can improve many things. What's their likeness, and I think it's a very good for them, because I also explain my feeling when I came in this class. So I was also not speak very well, but the sir also always trained me, and one day I realized that if I came here, so I think I will get something. Without getting, I think I can't see what's my changing, what's my improvement. So I also fight for this tuition. So I am also top 10 king in this tuition. So I think my opinion is that these students both are going are very good. That's why sir selected for this student, and who's fight for their second award, third award, and top 10 king. So I think they should make their self very strong, because it's not very normal program. If you know that in June program, but sir announces today, and today if he announcement today, so you think that you can imagine it's very you will have to give your all things, times also, and your progress, your journey, what are you learn in one month, 2 months, 3 months. And I think it's very good, because when you go, because I also when I participate in program, so I also standing 4 hours, 3 hours for I think get my practice, what's my improvement. So I think if you are really want to get any award, so I don't think you are only come here and you only get. You should do much more practice, much more hard work, because without hard work we can't get anything. If we get something, so we have to do something hard work. If we really want to get big things, we really do big hard work. We can sacrifice our all things for getting that. So I think in June program there are many seniors come, many students come. So I think you have to prepare topics, many jokes. I think if you are a voice school, so I think you can also participate in singing competition, singing for in front of person. Because I also participate in for speech, so I also gave my speech, so I feel very nervous. Then I realized that I can improve my all thing, but it's my main problem. I can't speak in front of public. Then I when I gave my presentation in first January, I can improve my all thing, because of Divya sir. He is also trained me, and also my father is come. He is also saw me कि I improve many things, because I'm very shy type girl who can't speak in front of public. But that was time I can speak. I think that you are get or not, you get a good position, highest position, lower position. It doesn't matter. If you get anything, so you know that I think I have some qualities. That's why you get that thing. So I think you should do much more practice. That's also.